It's finally happening. I'm gonna be upgrading storage on this MacBook Air, even though Apple doesn't want me to. Why? Well, I have to buy this. I have to buy an adapter just to use a bigger SSD in this computer because Apple doesn't want me using a bigger SSD. And I mean, it's just classic Apple in my opinion. But I do not care. We do not care. I don't care. Person watching this video doesn't care either. It's also pretty big. Wow, it's a lot of dust. There we go. So, the reason why I'm upgrading this storage as MacBook Air is because I want to start doing more video editing on my computer. You know, better video editing. Because CapCut, while it is really good, you know, CapCut does a really good job. It does take a while to export, and I can't use my phone to make more videos. And by the time it's done exporting, I'm already tired, and then I just do nothing all day, pretty much. Sometimes I even forget to upload videos because of it. So, I'm gonna start doing more editing on my MacBook Air, because it has new thermal paste, so it will, you know, significantly speed it up in terms of performance, and it actually has. And the more storage will allow me to export videos in higher quality, you know, like 4K, for example, if I ever do 4K, because currently I don't think it's worth recording in 4K since I'm already, you know, I'm constantly in noisy environments, so 4K wouldn't be worth it for me, at least. I mean, another thing I need to upgrade, or, you know, change is this bottom case panel. Definitely should replace that because this one is damaged. However, it still works in, you know, protecting the inside, so it's okay for now. The more critical parts were the crusty thermal paste and dying battery. So now we have a new battery in this machine, and we should be fine, you know? Wait, did I even turn it off? Wait. Whoopsie daisy. No, I didn't turn it off. It's still 100%. I don't know how long it's been unplugged for. I think like around a week it's been unplugged, and it still hasn't died. Shut this boy off. Shut down. Shut down. There we go. That's that. It's shutting off now. Oh, this panel is already opening up because I removed the screws. On my side, at least. There we go, it's off now. That was a bit of an oopsie on my part, my bad. Remember to shut off your machines before opening them up. Oh, also, the SSD we're going to be using is a... brand is this? It's an SP branded. That's definitely a short version of what the actual brand is, so my bad. It's unfortunately a SATA 3 SSD, but considering what computer we're putting this into, that shouldn't be too much of an issue. Plus, it's more compatible because of the fact that it has both notches. So it's more compatible with a wider array of SSD types. So that's also pretty neat. If I ever, you know, have to return this MacBook Air to my dad's workplace, for example, or something else comes up, you know? Or if I just sell it, profit, and get a better machine, you know, MacBook Pro, similar generation. And that is actually more upgradable than this. That was weird. Why does the battery always get unplugged when I open this? Okay, I see why. This is still sticky, man. Don't judge me. It's my own machine. That didn't work at all. Let me try using this. Okay, it's sort of working. It's not the best, but that's not budging. That was pointless. That did nothing. I mean, currently it's not too much of an issue considering the fact we just saw it on, and then turned it off before, this happened. But I guess this is an automatic battery unplugging maneuver, so I guess it's fine for now. Now we have to get our T5 screwdriver bit, because Apple likes their proprietary screws, or just really weird screws for their Retina or Air machines, clearly. There we go. So this is the previous SSD. It's a Toshiba 128GB SSD, and it is not big at all. I mean, in terms of surface area, it's very big. But in terms of actual storage space, not that big. I mean, look at the size comparison. This one's 4 times the size. Yet being like, what's that? 20%? 30% less? I don't know, man. I am not really a math guy, So here's our package from wish.com that I bought for around €5, if I remember correctly. Wow, that cut through like nothing. Jesus. Spooky dooky. Oh, it also came with some screws. Very cool. Ah, it's a standoff. I'll actually probably not need that, considering you already have something. Let me just... Since I'm in here, I might as well. Because I'm already in this machine, I might as well blow it out to improve, potentially improve thermals. And let's see. Is it going in? It started, but now it just slowed down a lot. It went in. It went in. This lines up. Sweet marvel. Wait, can't I just use the previous screw? Why would I need to use the new one? Let's check. Can I just use this one? Pretty much, yeah. I can just use the previous screw. However, I will need this new screw for the actual, inserting the SSD. That's the only thing I need. Otherwise, we're fine. So, let me just push it out. Oh my god, this is so problematic. Why? There you go. That went way more easily. Now let's remove our SSD from its packaging. To be fair, this SSD wasn't the cheapest, considering the fact it's SATA 3. However, I do approve of its, wider range of compatibility. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem. It was $27, and the adapter to be able to use this in this machine was $5, around $5. To remember the exact price. There we go. Feel like a glove. It's not the best, or it doesn't line up with this screw insert. It doesn't match perfectly. Oh wow, this uses Phillips. When you even random manufacturers from China that I've never met, never heard of before, are doing something better than Apple, because they're not seeking profits that much. Unlike Apple, I mean, they're $1 trillion company. It makes sense. So it's in. It's in. Half terabyte, man. Half terabyte. Holy crap! This machine is now fully upgraded to my liking. The only reason I didn't go 1 terabyte is because I'm not sure if this machine can support 1 terabyte. Because on Apple's website, at least, I only see that there's an option to go all the way to half a terabyte. So I don't want to risk, buying a 1 terabyte SSD and then seeing, oh, I can't actually run it on my computer. Because Apple made it so it doesn't support anything past half a terabyte. Or maybe the computer just doesn't recognize it. You never know. That's gonna fall out. Oh, it already did. Yeah. Okay, let's boot it on. Turn it on. Okay, we got our iconic chime. No, why does it make it so that the adapter lights up? That's annoying. Oh, forgot about the fact the camera glass is cracked. Shouldn't be too bad. I love widescreen. I love this widescreen, guys. What do you think? Is reading the SSD? I mean, both LEDs on the SSD adapter are on, so I reckon it is. Missing hard drive icon. I mean, the adapter is doing its work. What? Oh, I need to use Google. You're the only device that can use Google. Find the Google. Found some instructions. Apparently, you have to hold Command and R before turning on the computer. That boots it into recovery mode, and it should, hopefully, let me, install macOS via the internet, which sounds pretty convenient, in my opinion. Internet recovery. Can let go now. Okay, it's in internet recovery mode. Look at that. Found some video on YouTube that was like, hey guys, here are 3 ways you can reinstall macOS. One of them was using a Time Machine, an app on macOS, pretty convenient. The second one, which is what I'm doing right now, is using the internet by booting into recovery mode. And yeah, that sounds great. I absolutely would love to pick that option, and I am. Screw it, I'll just use the nearest Wi-Fi, which is not that near, but hey, it's better than nothing. Connect. I know the Wi-Fi is a bit far. Okay, starting into recovery. This may take a while. Sure, I got time. Hurry up. Okay, this is great. That means we've already made some progress. So SSD is in. Macbook is starting the recovery. I mean, now you just gotta wait and hope I don't, drop it. Hope the SSD isn't too big, because of the adapter. Should be fine, right? Hopefully, yeah. Oh, jeez. That scared me. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna just lean back on my chair and wait for something to happen. Be back. It just shut off. It just randomly shut off. I don't know why. There was some countdown on the screen. It said 20 seconds. I don't know why it shut off. Ran out of battery? How did you run out of battery? Did I get a crappy battery? No, because the computer didn't say service battery. What? Maybe I didn't read properly, or maybe it didn't say 100%, or maybe the computer's just good. I don't know. Ow. Okay, there it is. Okay, well that sucks, because progress just got lost. Luckily, we weren't too far anyway, so it shouldn't be too much progress lost, even though that is a bummer. Okay. Oh, starting in our recovery. Let's go. Better news this time. Detected my Wi-Fi router. It's closer, way closer than the other one. So we're just gonna use that one instead. Should be way faster and more reliable. Did I really type in the Oh no, I did. I thought I typed in my password incorrectly, but no, it was just taking a moment to load. No, I'm not that hungry. Progress bar moved. saying 5. I'm guessing 5 seconds, but I don't believe that. Progress bar moved again. So let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, 1.0, 9. No, it's on 4 seconds now, and the progress bar is like, I'd say 25% of the way there. Pretty good. Anyways. Just waiting now for it to finish. 8 seconds, and it's almost 50% of the way there. Wow! Wow! Holy shits! I just realized I could have used this laptop that's usually on this desk instead of my phone and could have kept filming. However, it's a pretty thick laptop. There's not a lot of room. So, you know, seriously, it's really thick. Like, what the hell? Hurry up. We're losing time. I mean, I got a lot of time, but still. Hurry up. I want to be doing something else. 2 seconds. Let's see if it's true. 2. 1.9. 1.8. 1.7. 1.6. 1.5. 1.4. 1.3. 1.2. And even 1.1. 1.09. 1.08. 1.07. 1.06. 1.05. 1.04. 1.03. 1.02. 1.01. 1.009. No, it's still on 2 seconds, and it's been over 2 minutes. Oh, now it's on 1. Okay. Yep. Of course. Yep. Okay. Great. Wow, the SSD is definitely a bit toasty. It's warm. This will probably help. This is pretty cool. Plus, it's metal. Probably, you know, it's going to transfer heat well. Even though there's no thermal paste between this and this. Still going to transfer heat well. I'm a bit surprised the battery died, considering I bought it brand new. 35 bucks. But who knows? Maybe I can't read. Maybe it wasn't at 100% and I'm just blind. Hopefully. Oh wait, I can put the Phillips screwdriver bit back in because we don't really need it. You know, it's an Apple product after all. You don't really need, you know, normal screws. Apple logo. Apple logo. Apple. It's loading. Hey, moly. Oh. Oh my god. We're in. Well, we're sort of in, and we just need to install it now. Wait, did I have Lion before? I don't think I did. I had a newer operating system, I think. Okay, let's see. Repair or erase it? No. Also no. Let's just do this. I don't think I had Lion before. I think I had something newer. Oh yeah, I definitely had something newer. That is old. I remember. I'm gonna try. What? You stinky. You stink. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I see how it is. So much disrespect. Okay, I connected to Wi-Fi. Let me do something. Try again. This is definitely older because I remember these being 3D back when I first used this machine. And yeah, that is one sick throwback. Because like, wow, I guess. Sucks, I have to update it again, you know. I don't know how I did it last time, but once my brother got this machine, he also was able to update it, so... Uh-oh. Listen. Just let me do it. Just let me do it. Sure. Yes. I promise. What do you mean? What do you mean? Where's the disc? Hold on. It can't hold itself up. Let's use disk utility first. Oh, we should have used disk utility first. That's my bad. We should have used disk utility first. Can I restart? Yes, I can. We're still here. That's what you're wondering. Oh, it's just... Oh, sorry, guys. It's just loading. What do you mean you're loading to restart? You're... Okay. I love that boot up chime. Every single time. Still nothing. Hello? I gotta do everything again. I'm not gonna bother you with that BS. I'm just gonna cut to the part where I actually do stuff. Okay, so since this isn't finished yet, we want to talk about this computer. This chip is hot enough to burn me. I accidentally touched it. Okay, great. This isn't hot enough. It's still pretty hot. Not enough to burn me, though. This, I think, is the Wi-Fi card. Surprisingly hot. Jesus. Okay, hold it long enough, it'll burn you. This, however, hold it long enough, you'll be fine. This, I don't even know what it is. It's probably some chip under there. Also fairly hot. This is the USB. It's also pretty hot. This side of the battery is warm. It's get way colder once you go on this side. What? There's so many components. Okay, this one I understand. It's CPU and GPU. This is the hardest part. So why is it spinning so slow if this is on fire, basically? Thank you very much. Okay, we're back. We're back. Only took a minute to talk about this stuff. Okay, so this time we're gonna do disk utility. So we can actually initialize this SSD before doing what we did earlier. Okay. Oh, new image, right? New image. Yes. Where? Root? I'm confused. Time to Google. Turns out I didn't have a goddamn clue what to do. So apparently, I have to go to erase, and then I have to set the format to be macOS Extended Journal or APFS. I did macOS Extended Journal because that's the only option I have. Then I'll format it. I think that should be it, but I'm gonna check the video just in case. So I just press Command Q to exit disk utility. There we go. There we go. Now we do reinstall Mac OS X. Continue. Yes, verify computer, blah blah blah. There we go. I agree that you exist. Yes. There's the disc! There's the disc! Oh! Yo! It's happening, boys. Let's go. Oh my god. It worked. Oh god. I don't think we have that much time. We have time, but definitely not that. Oh, okay, that's a lot better. that's 30 hours of less time used up, but still not too. Wow, that is a big improvement. Jesus, okay. Magnet. Magnet. Anyways, wow, 1 hour. It's still going down, so that's really good. I'm gonna just, lean back in my chair. Wait for this to finish. So basically, I'm just laying down, Now I'm using my mouse from here. It works. But I made sure the cable doesn't get damaged. So anyways, still not done. Not one bit. That's definitely way better than the theoretical 36 hours it told the first time. About a minute. It's like right there. Come on. Come on. Seriously? Oh, cool. Oh. What? That's not good. Just changed. 0 seconds remaining. And it's loading again. How wonderful. How pleasant. No way. Oh my god. Seriously. The thing. About a minute. Sure. Come on, man. Less than a minute. Fair enough. Very true. Can agree. Okay. Hey, Apple. Don't kill me. It's not open. You're just bad at eyesight. Anyways. Let's see. Have we made progress? Like, it's done. Anyways, it's ready. It's on and everything. Now we just gotta, shut it off so I can put the back cover back on, and we should be good then. Go. Just in case. You just gotta screw it on, usual process. You just gotta put this bad boy back on and you should be fine. Does it fit though? Does it fit? Probably. I'm not an engineer, bro. It should fit. It should fit. Actually, it does. Not the best, but it fits. So, what's this? T5. We can put that back because now we only need P5. Okay. So the top left. I have to take the smallest option. Or, you know, smaller option. I'm just gonna screw in the corners first because I find the case doesn't like the corners very much. Yep, clearly. There we go. That took way longer than I would want to admit. You know, the HP laptop you're leaning against is actually surprisingly modular. It's the most modular device that's also portable that I own. Bro, this sucks. Yeah, it struggles to go all the way in. Yeah, I have to force it. Still not all the way in. There we go. Try to make it as flush as possible, but still not flush. Actually, none of them are, to be fair. Kinda sucks. And there you go. Now you have half a terabyte of storage, but an old system, you know, much older operating system, which you can probably, you know, fix yourself. You can just update it, right? Probably. We're gonna take care of that in a future video because I'm tired. I'm tired. I wanna go to sleep. It's 11 p.m., bro. I had a lot.